Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. We got a great episode today. First up, my little Chihuahua and myself, we're gonna go all the way out to Calgary, Alberta, get some takeout, and take it back to my Tiki Bar. And then after that, we got Appies with Chappy by the lake. So stay tuned for that. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says we're gonna go to Kim's Katsu. It's a Japanese Katsu place located in the Kensington area of Calgary, Alberta. Mookie's very eager to go, so we're going to go pick up some Katsu. Mookie's going to get the fish, and I'm going to get the chicken, and we're going to take it back to the Tiki Bar. Let's go, Mookie. Hello, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. I'm just in from Cuba. I just flew in and boy, my arms are tired. So today's appetizer, I have some fried dumplings that I used leftover roast beef and mashed potatoes. So these are my leftover roast beef mashed potato dumplings. And to go with my appetizer, we need a drink. I'm just going to make a beach bum. So this is generally a martini, but I'm just going to put a little bit of ice in the glass. It's just 2 ounces of light rum, half ounce of triple sec, and a good hit of lime, and a dash of grenadine. And that is a beach bum to go with my roast beef dumplings. Alright, that concludes another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.